In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice in Zoho Books. To get started, sign in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can access all your sales and accounting records. From here, go to the Sales section and select Invoices. This will open your invoice list, where you can view all existing invoices in your account. Next, find and open the invoice you want to edit. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct one before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple customers or recurring invoices. Once the invoice is open, click the Edit button at the top of the page. This will place the invoice into editable mode so you can update the information directly. Now you can begin reviewing and updating the customer information if needed. For example, you may need to correct billing details or adjust the customer link to the invoice. After that, move through the main invoice details and update anything necessary, such as the invoice number, invoice date, payment terms, or due date. These fields are important because they affect both record keeping and payment expectations. If the products or services on the invoice need to be changed, go to the item table. Here, you can add new items, remove existing ones, or edit the details of the current line items. As you do that, make sure to also check the quantities and rates. You can adjust the quantity, change the rate, and update any discount or tax settings as needed. Even small edits here can affect the final total, so it's worth reviewing carefully. If applicable, update any shipping charges or invoice adjustments. This is useful when delivery costs have changed or when you need to apply an extra adjustment before finalizing the invoice. You should also review the customer notes section and edit it if necessary. This area is often used for helpful context, reminders, or invoice-specific messages. Next, check the Terms and Conditions section and modify it if required. If your invoice includes supporting documents, you can also attach new files or remove existing attachments at this stage. Before saving, review the subtotal and total amount carefully. This final check helps ensure that all edits have been applied correctly and that the customer will receive accurate billing information. Once everything looks right, click Save to update the invoice. If you want to send the revised invoice right away, click Save and Send or use Send Email to deliver the updated version to the customer. Thanks for watching.